can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. I'm your host, Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, the Sandbox. It's currently ranked 48 on CoinMarketCap. Sandbox has traded for as high as $0.71 in the last 1 month and also traded for as low as $0.48, with the market cap below $1 billion and a fully diluted market cap of around $1.5 billion. How low can we possibly go in this bear market? All coins have been having double-digit losses in the last 1 month. The Sandbox is down 25.1% on a monthly time frame. We're deep in the crypto bear market. The Sandbox is down 61% on a yearly time frame. We're going to be taking a look at the Sandbox US dollar price chart on a daily time frame. We have seen the Sandbox dump to as low as the $0.37 level in this bear market. Is that a bear market bottom? Can we go lower than that? We'll also look at the Sandbox performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and finally look at the Sandbox market cap that's gone below $1 billion. In this bear market, we have seen it get to as low as $562 million. Will that be the bear market bottom, or can we go lower than that? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest when it comes to investing. Nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research, study and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
With all coins pumping to higher prices in this bear market, with all seeing the bear market rally, a lot of people got hyper bullish, but right now it looks as if that bear market rally is over. Meme coins are dumping to Goblin Town. All coins are dumping to Goblin Town, and the last 1 month has not been very good for all coins. The Sandbox has lost over 25% of its value in the last 1 month. How low can we possibly go in this bear market? Taking a look at the Sandbox US dollar price chart on the daily time frame, the Sandbox was one of the huge gainers in the previous bull market, rallying up to an all-time high of $8.4. Before we got to $8.4, we went to the previous bear market, and the best time to get the Sandbox was somewhere starting 2021 on a very bright note from the $0.034 level. The Sandbox started 2021 pumping to higher prices, and by November of 2021, $1,000 invested in the Sandbox would have returned over $244,000. That's how aggressive all coins can pump to the upside when they are ready. But the downside to all coins is that when they start dumping to Goblin Town, that dump can be pretty massive. The Sandbox is going through its first full crypto bear market, and since November of 2021, dumping to Goblin Town. And since November of 2021, we have been aggressively dumping to Goblin Town. We have seen the Sandbox lose around 95% of its value in its first 404 days of its bear market. We started 2023 on a very bright note. We saw the Sandbox rallying from the $0.37 level, getting to as high as $0.9, rallying up 143% to the upside. But it looks as if that's the highest we can go. We got rejected at that $0.9 level. We also got rejected at that level in November of 2022 when we tried to rally above that price point. So that's going to be a very critical level for the Sandbox in the coming days and the coming weeks. We might even still dump to as low as the $0.74 region. But right now, the Sandbox has gone below these two critical support levels, the $0.9 region and the $0.73 region. We saw the Sandbox in April trying to rally above that $0.73 region, but we got rejected there yet again. Bear markets are very brutal. There's so many twists and turns in the bear market. The Sandbox got to as high as $0.9. We held the $0.71 region, finally losing it on the 27th of February 2023. And since then, the Sandbox has not been able to rally above the $0.73 level. We have been dumping for around 80 plus days. We can easily continue dumping to Goblin Town. We're waiting for the Sandbox to find support around the $0.51 level. But right now, it looks as if the dump to Goblin Town is not over. We can easily drop to the $0.37 level. We have seen the Sandbox dump that low in this bear market. We got there on the 31st of December 2022. From where we're currently trading right now, for us to go to that low, we'll have to see another 25% decline in the price of the Sandbox. Knowing how volatile altcoins can be, that dump to Goblin Town can come very, very quickly. At the same time, we can slowly just bleed towards that $0.37 level, or probably dropping to new lows in this bear market. Guys, dropping to new lows is not going to be the death of Sandbox. The Sandbox have seen way lower prices. Where we were trading in June of 2021 was around the $0.14 level, and we still saw the Sandbox giving us one big pump to the upside before the bull market was over. From that $0.14 level, we saw the Sandbox rally up by 5,400% in 158 days. So all coins can easily pump to higher prices, including the Sandbox, but they can easily dump to Goblin Town. And worst case scenario in this bear market, if all things go to shit, if we see Bitcoin dumping back below $20,000 and the altcoin market is dumping aggressively, don't be shocked to see the Sandbox even heading to as low as the $0.14 level. Yes, that's a 50% dump from where we are right now, but way crazier things have happened in the altcoin market. The Sandbox in this bear market from the all-time high is currently down around 93%. If we see it heading to that $0.14 region, the Sandbox will be down 98% from its all-time high. And all coins are wonderful. They can dump that low in the bear market. They can also recover and go to set new highs in the next crypto bull run. Now let's take a look at some key details about the Sandbox. If you're going to accumulate in the Sandbox in the bear market, if you're one of those long-term investors that are going to be here for the long haul, you want to pay attention to these key details. The Sandbox has a market cap below $1 billion right now, but we're deep in the crypto bear market. Market cap of around $949 million. The last 1 year has seen the Sandbox trade for as high as $1.5. It has also traded for as low as $0.37. And over 2.2 million people have the Sandbox on their watch list on CoinMarketCap. The symbol for the Sandbox, if you want to buy this token on any crypto exchange, is SAND. With a maximum supply of 3 billion tokens, over 1.8 billion of those tokens are in circulation, representing 62% of the maximum supply. If you want to buy some Sandbox tokens, where can you get them? If you're accumulating them for the next crypto bull run, you can buy some SAND tokens on Binance, on Qcoin, on Coinbase Exchange, on Uniswap, on Kraken, on Bitfinex, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Sandbox tokens right there. The bear market is designed to get you buying at the top, guys, and selling at the bottom. Be very, very careful. Bear markets can be very long and brutal. Your number one job in the bear market is to survive. And as you're surviving, remember not to go all in. There's a lot of opportunities that will come your way in the bear market. It's going to be very, very tempting to go all in into these altcoins. Yes, they're down 93% from their all-time high. Some of them are down way low in their all-time highs. Some of them are dropping to new all-time lows. Even though the Sandbox is holding on very, very strong, remember to dollar cost average into your position. Crazier things have happened in the altcoin market. You want to prepare for the worst. You want to have some capital on the side to be able to take advantage of those once in a lifetime opportunities. The altcoin season index is telling us capital is still in the Bitcoin market. History has shown over time that's a good time to be accumulating altcoins. But remember, guys, we can easily spend more than a month in this Bitcoin zone, which means the altcoin market can easily be dumping to Goblin Town for the next 4 to 6 weeks. Selling me and go away, that's what happened in 2021. It also became true in 2022. With history repeat itself in 2023, we have seen the Sandbox dumping to Goblin Town against Bitcoin since the end of the bull market. It has lost around 87% of its value against Bitcoin. Even though we have seen some rallies along the way, after those rallies, we have just continued dumping aggressively to Goblin Town. Down 87% against Bitcoin, against Ethereum. The Sandbox is down bad from the all-time high. The Sandbox is down around 85% against Ethereum. And there's no guarantees that won't dump to Goblin Town, but RSI is at the lower end. So right now, we are probably closer to the bottom than we are to the top. The final dump is always the hardest because that's the dump that will make people think we're going towards zero. You want to hold on very, very strong. We saw the Sandbox starting the year on a very bright note. We saw it rally up by around 77% against Bitcoin. But since that rally ended in February, it has been dumping to Goblin Town. And knowing how volatile these altcoins can be, that dump can last for a very long time. Since when the previous rally ended for the Sandbox in July of 2022, we saw the next dump that happened for it last around 167 days. This dump that we're currently experiencing right now that ended in February has lasted around 99 days. So we might still have like 4 to 6 weeks down in Goblin Town. If you take a look at the Sandbox market cap, it sits around the $948 million level. Guys, we can easily dump to Goblin Town, seeing the Sandbox market cap heading to the $500 million region. Hopefully we'll find support there. Worst case scenario, if the Sandbox starts dumping aggressively, we see Bitcoin dumping, the whole market going to shit, the Sandbox market cap can drop to as low as $113 million. But before we get there, we're going to find a lot of support along the way. One of the key support that we're expecting to hold will be this $263 million region. But for us to get to that level from where we're currently trading, that will still require us to even dump by around 70% to the downside. A 70% dump to the downside for Sandbox, we see it dropping to new lows in this bear market. Are you still going to be buying more if we drop that low to the $0.14 level? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.